What's up guys, Ben with Kame Trick. Today is our second drift event. It's Mac Park and it is full rain. I was going to be driving this car, however it decided to have all sorts of issues. I could have either tried to fix this thing at like 8:30 at night, or I could just go to the event today, hang out with my friends, give them some pointers, maybe drive some of their cars, and miss out on all this rain and gnarliness. This is ridiculous. I tried to shoot in the rain using the 80D. I was really excited about trying to get some shots with this, but I just don't have the gear yet. I bought it used. It did not come with any sort of lens hoods or anything like that. And so while I can cover the body and most of the lens with a bag, that's fine, but I'm not able to actually keep the lens clean. So it gets covered in water droplets, and then any shots I get are going to be kind of worthless. So we're going to use the GoPros, see if we can get some shots that way, just real low-key. And I might try and get some driving in a couple people's cars as well. This weather sucks so bad, but f it, we're gonna film. Jeremy has let me borrow his car. It's a single cam KA car. Thank you very much, Jeremy. Hit up Slammed Life, Slammed Media on Instagram, Facebook, and wherever your favorite social media is served. To be really gentle as I transition, and then once I've got it stable, I can get onto the gas and it drives about normal. The other biggest issue that I'm having now that I've kind of woken up to how to steer the car is the e-brake stays ways up, which makes it just hard enough that this car is not drifting with me driving it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for letting me off the hook for being able to drive my car and sucking at driving everybody else's cars. It must be all the exhaust fumes entering the cabin, unleashing my party demon. Somebody just get stuck. That might be all she wrote for this session, boys.
Definitely excited to get back out here occasionally, you know?
Oh yeah?
So, but it's definitely been fun in this little single cam, man.
Yeah, dude. I dig it. It feels pretty good. It's got good power. It likes the rain. I like that we're getting water in the car here somehow. Gotta wait. Oh, they got it out. Wow. That's a good passenger right there.
Yeah. All of the single camness.
Yeah, this takes me back to my KA days, but it takes me even further back than they go. I can't feel my hands.
that was definitely me a while back. Something that I don't say, and I don't know if a lot of people ever say this, but part of what I really appreciate about your driving style is that you can get down and dirty into feeling the grip of a car. There's not a lot of people that whenever they drift, like you can actually start to feel the grip. Like that time going on that run, it kind of made me realize some of the things that I was doing wrong in sense of gassing and braking, and kind of my inputs, they're a little bit jarring. And to try and keep smoothing them out.
Thank you. Yeah, it's a pretty capable car actually. So I was surprised by that, and I feel like I could put together a pretty good run if I just don't try to manji in, but I'm going to anyway. biggest problem with the front wheels. I think that you could go with the grippier tire. I was wondering if he would move. That's the best I got.
I like it, sir. I like it a lot.
The car's not bad. I like it.
It's definitely, like you said, it definitely does feel different sitting in the passenger seat right now. It's definitely a lot different. Something that I really appreciate about your driving style is anytime I've rode with you in this car, my previous KA car from way back in the day, I really appreciated whenever you would drive it. Like, there's you and my friend Brandon Carter. You two, anytime you guys drive any of my cars, it always kind of like alleviates me and reminds me, like, hey, like, this car actually slides and it does it pretty good.
Yeah.
And, you know, just learn from there. You can leave it running, by the way.
I figured.
But
yeah, totally.
Mad props, man.
Thank you, dude.
Right there.
And that, my friends, is how we party at Mac Park in the rain. Massive thank you to Full Lock Drift and Slammed Media, my buddy Jeremy, for putting on this event and for giving me the opportunity to drive your car. That was awesome. I really appreciated it. It was great to see you back out on track after this long. And thanks for everybody who came out. The Team Driftards guys who came out from Shreveport making a huge drive. That was rad. Guys came out from Wichita. That was rad. I hope to see you guys at our future events as well. My apologies for not having my car out there this time, but soon I'll be back. I hope to see you guys May 4th. May the 4th be with you in Drift. Have a good one. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Peace.